Let's have a look at inequality. So here we have solve inequality. Now what they mean that my answer have to be x greater equal a specific number or x less or equal a specific number. That's where I'm going with my calculation. So the difference between that and equal sign is that I don't have an equal sign. The rules, all the other rules are the same, apart from one rule. There is one rule that is exception to inequality. And that rule is when we multiply or divide by a negative number, we flip the sign. So that's kind of a short abbreviation of that rule. That's the only difference. Okay, so where am I going? X on one side, I have x here, I have x here. So I'm saying let's move that x here, and then let's move this number here. So that means this side of the equation I have 2x, move 6x to the other side, the principle the same, change the sign to the opposite, copy my sign. I have minus 8 here, I move 4 to the other side, change the sign minus 4. So I'm saying, where am I going? X as 1. I have 2 of them, so the 2 become 1, 2, and minus 6, I have minus 4. And then I can add those numbers as well in my calculator. Now I want x, not x multiplied by minus 4. So what do? How do I get rid of that minus 4? I divide and divide both sides of the equation. And now this is the rule that comes into play. When we divide or multiply by a negative number, we have to flip the sign. So that's what we need to do here. So that means x, and we are flipping the side the other way around. We put all of that in the calculator, we press equal, and we get that that is 3. So that's what I'm saying. Inequality, not that different than equal sign. Rules are the same, apart from that one rule that we have to remember.